On February 19, 2026, a pedestrian versus truck accident occurred on U.S. Highway 23 in Wyandot County, Ohio. Authorities say 37-year-old Martin Montoya, a truck driver from California, had pulled his Volvo 18-wheeler onto the southbound shoulder north of Township Road 103. Montoya exited his cab and was standing in front of the open access panel door. For reasons that remain under investigation, a southbound International 18-wheeler's right side view mirror struck both Montoya and the access panel door. Montoya sustained fatal injuries and was pronounced dead at the scene. The investigation into the incident is ongoing.